When you live in a house 18 years and it's older, you don't notice deterioration. But one night I was standing out at the counter and there was a guest there, and he put something down that rolled off the counter. And he said, "Do you realize your house is slanting?" "My house slanting? That can't be." And sure enough, we began to notice cracks and things that were going on. Well, first of all, I did a lot of research on exactly what to do. But once we got into it, I just kind of went with the flow, because I realized the end result was going to save my home. And anything in between was just stuff that was going to happen. And we worked as a team, and if they had a question, they asked it. And if I was against something, they listened to me. And as a result, we came in ahead of time and under budget. What more could you ask for? What you see is a miracle. You could have seen this place when we started this project, and none of us knew how it would turn out. They were concerned about how much they would raise the house, whether further things would crack, whether it would be further damage, how much could they lift, could we make it level? I mean, there were a lot of questions. I'm only doing this because when someone does good work and is faithful and produces what you ask for, then I'm gladly giving my time for a testimonial. That doesn't happen often in this world. Thank you so much for having me.